Okay, so in order to do step one of the research process, I'm here with Jaime. He's off camera, and he's probably not going to say anything, but we're using his profile in Schoology to show how to do things. So with that said, if you're on the language arts page for my class, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, all of the research paper assignments are going to be found in that green folder listed there. It says research paper process for those dates. Jaime, go ahead and navigate into that. So when you go into the folder, right now we don't have everything completely set up, but we will later. We're going to work on step one today, which is to choose your topic. Go ahead and click on the folder. All right, so this video will actually be included in the step one video tutorial page that you see there. So if you ever miss class and need directions, we're going to have a tutorial on how to do things every single time. But the first assignment that we're going to do is called choosing your topic. Jaime, go ahead and click on that. Now, the description of the assignment is listed there, and essentially it says go to that website that's listed there, and after reading it, you're going to fill out a document, and it says click here and there where the document is actually going to populate. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on the website, Jaime. And of course, they ask you the redirect notice to continue. All right, so on this website, there is a list of 31 history-making Black Americans everyone should know. This was an illuminating article. There are people on here that I was not aware of and their contributions to American history. So what your job is to actually go and skim this article and read some of the profiles and look for some people with whom you're not familiar. Jaime, go ahead and scroll down just so they get an idea of the length of the article. I don't expect everybody to read every single one of the profiles, but I'd like for you to try and learn some people that you were not aware of before. So they have a total of 31. You can see that they, each one has basically a paragraph in this article. Now, go ahead and pause and go back up to the top. So you get the point. There's 31 people listed. I want you to read a few, maybe as many as 5 or 6, and then determine which one that you're going to focus on. So once you have read this article, the next step is you're going to actually reveal to me or Mr. Malone, because he's doing the same assignment, what your topic actually is. So Jaime, go ahead and click on the step 1 tab there. So in order for you to reveal that and to give me that assignment, what you're going to do at this point is where it says fill out this document, click here. Go ahead and click there. Right there. So it's going to ask you to make a copy of this Google Drive document. Go ahead and click Make a Copy. And for everything that we do in this research paper, we're going to do things consistently. So the first thing, Jaime, I'd like for you to do is to go ahead and change the title of this in the top left where it says Copy of Choosing the Topic. Go ahead in front of Choosing the Topic, name it your first and last name. And go ahead and get rid of copy of, because that's going to make it hard for me to sort these things when I actually have to grade them, or if they get, because when you share something with me via Schoology, it fills my Google Drive as well. Okay, so now that we've renamed it, the directions are posted there. It says after reviewing the article, you choose a figure. So in the graphic organizer below that table, it says the historical figure I chose for my research paper is. What you're going to do is you're going to type the name of the person that's there. And as it turns out, you've already chosen one. So go ahead and type that one in there, down below that, in the next window down. Nope, to down. There you go. And then you got to spell it correctly. So M-U-H-A-M-N. So get rid of the O. There you go. And then turn it into a U. And so he's choosing the boxer Muhammad Ali, which, by the way, when you research, you actually need to make sure that the historical figure that you choose is the actual one you're looking for. Then in the right-hand part of the graphic organizer, what you're going to do is you're going to type your response for why you chose it. Now, Jaime, for the sake of illustration, you don't have to type that paragraph here, but I would like a paragraph on why you chose that particular historical figure. Now, done or not, this is how you turn things in. So the first thing that you're going to do to turn anything in for this research project is in the upper right-hand corner, there's a share button, that blue one. Go ahead and click on it. Now, when you click on it, this dialog box will come up, and it currently says Fort Wayne Community Schools under General Access, and it says Viewer. What you need to do is click on Editor. So you click Editor, it's thinking for a second, and then hit Copy Link. And now you have the link copied to your clipboard. Now what you need to do now, Jaime, is go ahead and go back to Schoology, the Schoology tab, and hit Submit Assignment. Now for submitting assignments for this, we're going to do it this same way every single time so that there's no doubt about what I'm expecting here. So in that upload dialog box, the middle tab says Create. Go ahead and click the Create tab. And then when you click the Create tab, go ahead and click into the text field, and then you're just simply going to paste the web address there that you took from Google Drive, and it should look like that. And then you hit Submit. And so Jaime has successfully turned in the assignment. Now the reason I have you turn it in this way is, obviously, Jaime, you didn't type your response on why you chose this yet, did you? So what he's going to do is he's going to type his response, and Google Drive automatically updates that file so that by the time I grade it, it's going to be the most recent version, and it'll include why he chose it. So that is how you do step one of the research paper process. You got to choose a topic first and then describe why you did it. So that is step one. I hope this was informative. We're going to get ready for step two here shortly.